nice hand grip video for y'all today. First off, I just wanted to thank the Most High. Appreciate him for waking me up today on this good Thanksgiving. Blessings to anybody that's celebrating today. Let me know what y'all doing in the comments for today. You know what I'm saying? I got a nice little install hand grip video from Combat Textile. I hope y'all enjoy it. Yeah, just let me know what y'all doing. Me personally, I can't wait to eat like 3 plates. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but yeah. Hope y'all get to see your families and or just in a good spot. You know what I'm saying? You never know how people doing on the holidays. You know what I'm saying? Hope you're doing okay. Whoever need to hear this, you know what I'm saying? Blessings to you. But yeah, I'm back on my guns. Back talking on my guns. I know I was only on hair for like a video, but if y'all want me to do more hair stuff, let me know. I don't really know too much of what I can do with my hair videos, but I mean, I got some little ideas though. I ain't gonna spoil it, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about this. So, without further ado, I'm gonna get to the video, and I'm gonna leave y'all like a turkey in the oven. Okay. If I'm gonna lie to y'all gonna have to bear with me throughout my audio through this video. Look, man, I gotta help me, man. I'm trying to grow. Do y'all a favor and sped up the video so y'all can get to it. It's gonna get better, y'all. Bear with me, man. Right now, I'm just reading the package right now. Just showing y'all everything that's on it. Just prepping the gun, showing y'all it's clear. Working with an unloaded gun. Just wiping it down right now with the alcohol. And before I lay the adhesive grip down. Yeah, after I get done wiping it, I go to install. Here I'm just lining up the grip with the Glock symbol on the handle. And you just line it up with everything to your liking. Press it down. Press down. Same thing. Just press it down. Right now, I'm just making sure all the grooves is just feeling right. Everything just, you know, fitted on there tight to my liking. Okay. That's what it looks like so far? That's what it looked like so far. I like it. Combat Textile did they thing. Now we gotta install the back of the grip or the back of your frame of your gun. With just a little patience, it don't take that much to really install Combat Textiles grips. Yep, the gun is. Not just practicing with it. Loaded gun. Yeah, pretty easy install, not too bad. You just gotta put the back on. And the sides, you know what I'm saying? Just press it in down. Why wouldn't you want to have a grip on your gun? I don't understand how some people could just go no grip. Really wanna
But yeah, you really want to make sure everything is pressed down and actually on the gun, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's firmly on there.
And then for the last 2 pieces.
Right now, I'm just sticking the camos on the front of the frame. And I do like the front grip idea. Add a little touch.
That's all.
You know what I'm saying?
Just a little touch,
Not too bad.
Honestly, I don't know who this guy is. Yeah, I like it.
Right now, I'm just showing you different mag options with the grip, how it look. This is my favorite.
All unloaded mags.
And then you can see my 33 round extended mag unboxing video.
On my channel. Unboxing. Yeah, this is how.
So it's pretty much what it looked like. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.
Yeah, it just gave you some grip for the gun. You know what I'm saying? All around this gun. That's ranges. You know what I'm saying?
This has been a Glock 45, Combat Textile,
Combat Textile.
grip install. Thank you for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving.